So you landed the interview for a job you actually want. Then came the email. Please prepare a short presentation. Suddenly you're staring at blank slides at 11 p.m., dragging text boxes around, wondering why nothing lines up, and slowly accepting that this deck is going to look like it was built in the 90s. Here's the thing, job hunting is already time-consuming and stressful enough. You've got research to do, stories to prepare, and nerves to manage. The last thing you need to do is lose your whole night fighting with the slide design. So let's fix that. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to make a clean, professional, and job-earning interview presentation fast using Beautiful.ai. No design skills required. Most slide tools hand you an empty canvas and wish you luck. Beautiful.ai does the opposite. You can use a quick prompt to kickstart your presentation with AI. You tell it what you need, and it builds the first draft for you. So instead of designing it from scratch, you're just describing what you need. Watch this. I'll type in exactly what this deck is for. An interview presentation for a marketing manager role. Walk through my career story, my areas of expertise, case study with results, and a 30, 60, 90-day plan. Keep it clean and confident. Notice what I'm doing here. I'm telling it the role, the story I want to tell, and the tone. The more specific your inputs, the better your first draft. You're not asking for magic. You're giving it direction. Kickstart with AI, and in a few seconds, you have a real starting point instead of a blinking cursor. Here's where it gets good. Every slide in Beautiful.ai can be a smart slide, meaning the layout adjusts itself automatically as you add content. Add a stat, it rebalances. Drop in a photo, it makes room. You literally can't make it crooked. Start with the title slide, your name and your role front and center. First impressions matter, and this reads confident without trying too hard. Next, career evolution. Instead of a wall of job history, this lays out your path as a story. Where you started, how you grew, and where you are now. As I add each step, the smart slide spaces everything evenly on its own. I'm not nudging a single box. Then areas of expertise. This is where you match yourself to the job description. I'll drop in the skills that matter most for this role and watch. The layout rebalances automatically as I add each one. Here's the part that wins interviews. Proof. The solution slide sets up a real problem that you tackled, and the performance slide backs it up with numbers. Employers want impact, not a list of duties. And this is where you show a measurable result. And this one always lands. Your onboarding plan, your 30, 60, 90. It shows that you're already thinking like you have the job, which is exactly what you want them picturing. Every one of these took seconds because I'm choosing what goes on the slide, and smart slides handle how it looks. Now let's make the whole deck feel cohesive. In Beautiful.ai, that's a theme. One click sets your fonts, colors, and spacing across every slide at once. Watch the entire deck update in real time. Consistent, polished, done. If the company is brand colors, you can lean into something that complements them. If not, a clean, neutral theme always reads as trustworthy and professional. And that's a finished deck. Let's scroll through it. Clean open, a clear career story, sharp proof of results, a forward-looking plan, and a strong close. This is something you'd feel good about presenting. And it took just minutes, not a whole evening. Here's a part that most people skip, and it's the part that actually calms the nerves. A great deck is only half of it. You still have to present it. So Beautiful.ai can generate speaker notes for you, right alongside each slide. In the presenter view, each slide comes with a set of notes you can use as a starting script. Talking points, transitions, and the flow from one idea to the next. You're not reading them word for word. You're using them to rehearse until it feels natural. And that's the quiet advantage here. When you're not panicking about how your slides look, you have the time and headspace to practice how you sound, which is what actually gets you the job. So let's recap. Start with a brief, not a blank slide. Let smart slides handle the design. Apply a theme to tie it together, and use a speaker notes to walk in prepared. The whole point is your interview presentation should be about your strategy, not how much time you spent on the design. And Beautiful.ai takes the design off your plate so you can focus on being the person that they want to hire. You've got enough things to be nervous about. Your deck shouldn't be one of them. Kickstart your interview deck with AI using Beautiful.ai. And you can try it for 14 days free. The link is in the description. And hey, good luck out there. You got this.